anywhere. Only 7 inches combined. Can you believe it?
7 inches down the line. Big with that swing dick. Better build out, walk quick, and keep them wetbacks out of reach.
Out of my reach.
I'm harder than American steel, faster than a rock and reel. Kill the yellow man across the sea.
I can't swim there.
God knows I love America and hand jobs America. Truck stop Memphis, Tennessee.
Don't tell my wife.
Well, I have all the cowboys gone. The ones that scare the red man off. Replaced by flower, Tony Happy Camille.
Fuck those college hippies.
I'm drinking, I'm driving, I'm thinking, I'm thriving, surviving on truck stop and see. I'm drinking, I'm driving, I'm thinking, I'm thriving, surviving on truck stop and see. Met a girl in Charlotte, a chain smoking harlot down in Jackson, Tennessee.
That's where I'm from.
Man needs what he needs, and a big man needs it 6 days a week.
24 days a month.
Spell a Eleanor, I bet she was a boy. Yeah, you know what I mean.
I know.
Lord knows I drive a truck, and boy, I like to fuck when passing through Jackson, Tennessee.
Oh, I would like to fuck.
I'm drinking, I'm driving,
I'm barely surviving. Down here,
Tennessee. I'm drinking, I'm driving, I'm barely surviving.
Down
here, Memphis, Tennessee. I'm drinking, I'm driving, I'm barely surviving on truck stop and see. I'm drinking, I'm driving, I'm barely surviving on down to Memphis, Tennessee. Yeah, you know me.
Give me that truck stop pussy.